The year is 2142. Humanity has breached the barriers of space and time. We engineer life in labs, teleport across continents, and converse with artificial consciousnesses. Yet a profound mystery continues to captivate us: the nature of time itself. For centuries, we clung to the notion of a fixed past, an unalterable timeline etched in stone. But what if I told you that the past is not a dusty archive, but a living, breathing entity, constantly being rewritten with each passing moment? Imagine a vast library filled with every event that has ever transpired. This was our old view of the past, a static repository of moments frozen in time. We believed that the past dictated the present, that our lives were merely consequences of a predetermined script. This linear perspective, however comforting, is an illusion. The universe, as quantum mechanics has revealed, is far stranger and more wondrous than we ever imagined. Quantum mechanics, the physics of the very small, has shattered our classical intuitions about reality. It tells us that the subatomic world is a realm of probabilities, not certainties. Particles exist in a superposition of states, occupying multiple possibilities simultaneously. This inherent fuzziness extends to the very fabric of space-time, suggesting that the past, like the future, is not fixed but in a constant state of flux. One of the most mind-bending implications of quantum mechanics is retrocausality, the idea that the future can influence the past. Experiments have shown that measuring a particle in the present can instantaneously affect its properties in the past, as if the future is reaching back through time to reshape its own history. This challenges our fundamental understanding of cause and effect, suggesting a universe where time is not a one-way street, but a swirling, interconnected dance. Imagine the universe not as a giant clockwork machine, but as a vast, interconnected web of relationships. In this view, the past is not a fixed point, but a fluid narrative that is constantly being rewritten based on the present. Every observation, every interaction, ripples through the fabric of reality, subtly altering the tapestry of events that preceded. The universe, in essence, is a contextual engine, constantly recalculating the past based on the ever-evolving present. Section 6. The Quantum Scratchpad Model, Reality's Rough Draft. To understand this constant recalibration, picture the universe as a cosmic artist working on a vast quantum scratchpad. The past, like a rough sketch, is constantly being erased and redrawn as the universe evolves. Each moment is not a fixed point, but a probability cloud, a superposition of possibilities that collapses into a definite state only when observed in the present. This quantum scratchpad model suggests that the past is not set in stone, but a work in progress, constantly being refined and rewritten by the unfolding present. Section 7. Echoes in the everyday examples of a malleable past. The implications of a fluid past are not confined to the realm of theoretical physics. Consider the placebo effect, where our beliefs about a treatment can demonstrably alter our physical responses. Or the observer effect in psychology, where the act of observation inevitably influences the behavior of the observed. These examples, though seemingly mundane, hint at a deeper truth, that our perception of reality actively shapes the reality we perceive, including the reality of the past. Section 8. Shifting sands, memory, history, and identity in a fluid universe. If the past is not fixed, what does this mean for our understanding of memory, history, and even our own identities? Our memories, once considered reliable records of the past, become fluid narratives, subject to revision and reinterpretation. History, no longer a fixed chronicle of events, transforms into a constantly evolving dialogue between the past and the present. Even our sense of self, our perception of who we are, becomes a dynamic construct shaped by the ever-changing narrative of our lives. Section 9. The Dance of Existence, Embracing the Ever-Changing Now. The realization that the past is not a static archive, but a fluid, dynamic entity, can be both liberating and daunting. It challenges our deepest assumptions about reality, forcing us to confront the ephemeral nature of time and the interconnectedness of all things. But it also opens up a universe of possibilities, where the past is not a prison, but a springboard for creativity and transformation. In the grand dance of existence, the present moment is our stage, and the past, a constantly evolving backdrop against which we paint the masterpiece of our lives.